Guys, hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back in this new video. Today we are going to do 7th use of modals. As you know that in our previous videos we had done 6 uses of modals. In those videos we have done use of should, use of would, use of may, use of might, use of must and use of ought to. So today we are going to do our 7th use of modals, and trust me guys, this is very beneficial for you for your lifelong term, because as you know that modals play a very important role that how you can speak English by using these modals. Without any further ado, let's get started our 7th use of modals. So guys, before starting our sentence formation, we should always aware that what is the meaning and what is the name of the topic. If I talk about the name of the topic, then it is use of will. In our tenses videos we had done use of will for for future tense, but in this video it is quite different. We will use of will for different purposes. So if I talk about some different purposes, then covers determine, it means thanana, and nextly threat, which means dhamki, and promise, which means vada. Okay friends, we will cover these 3 purposes in use of will. As I said you that in the modals use of will is quite different, so we will cover determine, threat and promise. So we will always look in these 3 topics, in these 3 formats while making sentences. If I talk about the pattern, then subject, will, verb ki first form, others. This is the pattern. Okay friends, the sentences which I make from my side, just have a look. The first one is I will do study, I will pass with good marks. The third one is I will buy new car. So these are the sentences which means ठानना कि मैं नई गाड़ी खरीदूंगा, मैं अच्छे नंबर लाऊंगा, मैं अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाई करूंगा या मैं पढ़ाई करूंगा. Our second time, which is threat, which means धमकी. The first sentence is I will kill you, and the next one is I will kidnap you, and the third one is I will shoot you with gun. So these are the threats which a person gives to another person by using will. So if I talk about the third one, promise, I will buy a new car. You can say that I will buy a new car. It means you can promise yourself and you can promise to another person as well. For example, I will give you 10,000 rupees in this year. Okay friends, in this you are just promising another person that I will give you 10,000 rupees in this year. The third one is I will buy gold chain. Okay friends, so in this you are just promising yourself that I will buy a gold chain. So guys, with this we have covered our 7th use of modals. I think now you guys are able to differentiate use of will in tenses and use of will in modals. So if you guys like the explanation way, if you guys like the content, so don't forget to like it, and if you are new on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe the channel, because in this channel you will always get this kind of content. Thanks for watching and stay tuned with us.